So today I'd like to talk about 2021 next year top skill. So today is 2020 November, a little bit like a sad mode. Again, Greece will be locked down and everybody wanted to enjoy the Christmas, but you have to change your plan, maybe stay home or something. So I wanted to share, don't be negative, we can be positive, but we need to do something in order to be always positive. Otherwise, boring, nothing change, like stay home, just wasting time, and just maybe get fat or like you don't make up anything, like stay home and like really not good. Not good. Okay, relaxing is good, but too much relaxing is just going down everything. Health, and just too much eat, and mental. Like I don't have any fun, and third, and you're losing all opportunity. So don't lose opportunity. We have so much opportunity and we can be positive and then we can do the exercise in the house and then be more healthy. Don't eat too much. Okay, so 2021 top skill. Okay, top skills. This is for my opinion. Okay, when I started business in Tokyo, because I had a cooking school in Tokyo, that was I was 23. It was a big challenge because I came to Greece when I was 21 and okay, the world is big. I realized and come back to Japan, move to Tokyo, let's start something to more enjoy and more what is me. What I can do is I love the cooking and I started cooking school 2011 when I was 23. Brave. Good job. But you know what happened? It's when I moved to Tokyo and when I opened the cooking school, the Fukushima earthquake happened. It was disaster beginning. It was very sad. I need to close everything and maybe radiation is dangerous or something. And I moved to Okinawa, tropical island, alone again because its health is most important. And I moved to Okinawa and then came back to Tokyo. One more time, fix the whole situation and something. So like I'm quite used to have to see like disaster situations. That Corona is okay. If you think negative, it's disaster. But so many things we can do. But it's very long, 1 year now almost, and maybe next year too. Then we need a very good patience. Okay, that's I think mental, how can I say, competition. So that's why 2021. So next year, what we need, so we can prepare from now. If you want to improve yourself, if you don't want to be a negative, if you want to see progress, not like don't do anything and just going down, no money, no study, and like just stay home. Okay, it's easy, but especially if you're young, not necessary. I'm 34, I'm still young. I'm not a grandma. If I'm grandmother, I don't think I would do something really. Maybe I will just stay home and maybe a little bit PlayStation and enjoy the tea time or something like that. That is okay if I'm 80 or 90, but we have plenty of time until this age. We need to do something. Otherwise, maybe I cannot enjoy the grandmother's age this time. You cannot enjoy. You want to enjoy the rest of my life. So yeah, I will prepare. That's my opinion. What about you? So 2021 online job, or I didn't write down learning. That's totally okay. Totally you can do. You can learn and you can work too. I mean at home, like me. Record the video, say something, and communicate to the people online. You can work and you can learn. So at least we need to do these things. Otherwise, you can't. Maybe the school will close, maybe your company will close and we need something. This situation will not continue like forever. And when something start, we are ready to go for the next level. Maybe second, third, fourth corona, I can manage it. So we need this dream to keep positivity. Otherwise, like, oh my God, the economical crisis, corona, it's not fun if you think like this. It's not good for your mental also. So, online job and learning, let's do it. This is, you just turn on your computer and you can do it. Creativity is important. For example, we will start Japanese instructor course next year, that's 2021. Then you will teach Japanese. When you teach Japanese, maybe you like anime, you can teach Japanese with anime, you can teach with Japanese music, something that you like. So many things I think about Japanese language. You can combine with our instructor course to make your own Japanese teaching. That's Terumi's school. I am like more like a mental, positive, and like improvement. That is my method. But you can do totally different things. Learning Japanese with something that you like. Or maybe not about Japanese language. You can create something maybe about anything. Like if you are a computer programmer, let's teach my skill. Let's open the website. I can teach you. And maybe that will be your job also. Maybe second job. You're working at the company, but the second of my job is I'm teaching this computer programming, for example. Or second job, teaching Japanese. Something, you need idea, nice idea to expand your more opportunity. Because one company, only one job, it's a bit, unstable. We will close our cafeteria next month. Sorry. We will close our company. Sorry. Then you will lose a job. It's always good to have one or second your option job. Will be very good. If you're a student, you can think, what is my second job? What is the best for you? Try to think. Then adaptivity. Adaptivity is when the time change. Like last year, nothing happened that moment. I was just enjoying like a decoration Christmas. We are planning to go to Athens. And actually I went to Athens, enjoy, and nothing about Corona. But now it's Corona. And then what we need to adapt this new era, new time. Online, you don't need to say, I hate online, I don't like, I want to meet teacher. You need adaptivity to adapt. Otherwise, you will say like, complain, I don't like this one, the school is closed. You don't take any responsibility. Okay, the situation changed. You have to change too. And let's change. And I will adapt. Okay, I can do online. I can learn online. I can work online. But I've never done. I will study and let's go forward. That's the adaptivity. I am massive adaptivities. Even I can change my country, move to Greece. If I really need, I can totally change the country again. This is really good because it's very strong. I can work anywhere in the world, or I can work only in my town only. This is, I'm just saying about moving, but okay, without moving, job. I was working at the cafeteria for 10 years. I was living here for 10 years, I don't want to move. If you decide it, then your opportunity will be so small. Everything about job, school, friends also, new friends, adapt to the new society, adapt to the new friends. Hey, what's up? My name is Terumi. Nice to meet you. And what is your hobby? New friends. Also adaptivity. Because maybe we need to change the society. I want to learn online something. Okay, I go to another school, meet the new people. Okay, hey, I'm Terumi. I'm totally okay with this new society. Okay? So adaptivity are very important if you want to improve, because otherwise you don't change anything. That's it. My mother, my father, and my family, and my school, and my town, and that's it. End of the world. And you cannot improve more. Because you already stuck there. You learn everything. But there's no something new things. And now you want to change something. You need to learn some new things. You need to get out from your comfort zone. That's adaptivity. So, positivity, yes, of course. If you are negative, you cannot do anything. I will learn Japanese. Why you learn such a difficult language? Don't do it. I will maybe learn something new. Maybe accounting. Accounting, so difficult. Don't do it. Negativity is killing our life, right? Okay, there's nothing can make. Okay, negative, really mental negative, you can get sick too. Mental sick. Okay, its negativity is nothing good. Okay, so communication skill is like little bit close, adaptivity and communication skill, because if you don't have communication skill, how do you learn something new? New teacher, hi, this is my name is Terumi. You never met me, so that's communication skill. Otherwise, who is that? I don't want to talk to her, And I'm not bad person. I just want to tell you that if you want to improve with Japanese skill, because I'm Japanese teacher, that is good. Just I wanted to tell you for you, because you can enjoy more. You don't need to be negative. That's my just feeling that I put the camera and let's record, let's upload. That's my idea. But who is that? No communication skill. It will be very small society and you will not learn so many things. So that's why let's open mind. I don't know her, but okay, let's see. Let's talk. Talking, no problem. I have a once word I have heard. Don't talk to the unknown person. This is something that I've never heard in Japan. Okay, you don't need to go to his home or her home if you don't know her and him. It's very dangerous. Don't go to his home. But join some new event, new meeting, talking is really good. Otherwise, you cannot make any new friends. That's also good, not good. If you start getting old, you will graduate the university, you will graduate the high school, everything, and you need to join the new society, maybe new company, new job. Here, new school, for example, new people, and go to Japan, travel to Japan, and new people you will meet. Communication skill is to expand your life more. I have friends in Japan, I have friends in London, I have friends in New York, because you have a communication skill. And that's my friend introduced me a new job, maybe I will move. Adaptivity. And different country, I hate it. No negativity, positivity, yes. Let's challenge positivity. And that's me. I can speak Greek, I can speak English, I am native Japanese. I can make something new, creativity. And I can work online, learning. That's 2021. Definitely we need it. Me also. I need to improve more, everything. Okay, and then maybe I need to have more other skill if I have it already. So let's improve ourselves. Me, myself, my name is Terumi Kai. Me also, I need to focus more, and maybe you too. Okay?